More than 62,000 employers will receive nearly $675 million in the first wave of foreign worker levy rebate payouts. It's part of the Solidarity Budget, giving employers a levy rebate of $750 for each work permit or S-Pass holder. Aimed at supporting employers during the circuit breaker period, the payouts are on top of the waiver of the levies for April. Now, the payouts will be dispersed to eligible employers who have paid at least 1 month of levy due this year. Employers need not apply for the rebate. They will be informed once the rebate is successfully paid. Those who have signed up for Pay Now Corporate will receive theirs today. Those who haven't can sign up by next Wednesday to get the rebate a day after that. The remaining employers will receive theirs via check from mid-May.